Okay, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. We've got my Monster here, even though it's a little bit later. It's around right before 4 p.m. or 1600s if you're using the 24-hour time thing. So let's open this. Got this package today. So I was resetting the whole PS4 right before, so therefore, and I picked this up around half hour to 11 around there. And then I just chill a bit and took a walk. Meanwhile, I was waiting. And if you're using knives, be careful. Trying not to use too much force because I want to save the. I don't want to hurt the package that comes with this come in. You might maybe know what it is. I'm a little bit hyped. But here you can see it. Pretty nice package, to be honest. And if you have a console, comment what you're playing on. I have my PC that I have as well, and my and my PS4 so far, trying to sell it. So I bought this used, but it was a couple of hundreds of Swedish crowns. It's like, it might be like 10 or 13, just a couple of like tens of euros or dollars cheaper than the brand new, but I was like, because it was so few amount different, I thought it's gonna just be small things, as you can see here on top, right here. If you can see, the package is a little bit damaged, but I'm not complaining. Now it's a little bit hard to see. Maybe it's better lay it down to get it out. A little bit tricky, but I'm not at all. Just that I'm try to start the movement, and if you're stopping, it's like, no, why should I move? Or how to hold it to be able to. So here we have the package. Let's put it here so far, or put it on the floor. See here if you can get it up easy. Here we have that. What do we have here? I think for some plastic. I think it's for the stand if you want the PS5 to stand up. the USB-C, the controller, the power cable, nice. Then the HDMI cable, even though I have one in the TV so far. Some safety guide, some quick start guide, the controller, a white one. I ordered a secondary one. That's I'm gonna do. I thought it would be first. It said, or earlier today, and yesterday when I checked, it said it should be arriving like 4:20 p.m. Lol, and or 20 minutes over 4. I can basically say. But no, it's delayed to tomorrow, and it hasn't left Gothenburg yet. What can I do? I could have bought it in the store, I know, but whoa, it's heavier than I thought. Maybe it's the stuff around. Some plastic around it. What it should be gonna be like tape around this, but no. Ooh, first glance. Looks nice. The texture is like metal or something, but it's not like totally smooth, like if man in the glass or something texture, or plastic that is entirely smooth. It's a little like, I can say, frosted or something, that you can feel a little texture on it, which is nice. At least down here, up here it's more like smoother, easy. Looks nice. I bought the standard edition because I like to watch movies, listen to music and so on. So I think I'm gonna use this, and yeah, so now time to remove the old Betty, the PS4 Pro, to this. So I have my PS5 installed, logged in, and set up completely with my controller right here. So now I'm gonna take a little walk with some music, and hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a comment if you like this video, this play unboxing and video, because the next video is gonna be an unboxing as well. What it is, I can't tell, but might fall under the category gaming. Leave a comment what you think or what you're guessing on. A little Inception right here, but yeah, leave a comment either what you're guessing the next video is gonna be, or if you have any advice for a new PS5 owner. And we are seeing it's don't forget to subscribe either, and we are seeing each other in the next video. Bye bye.